Here we're going to show many conditions using the keywords if, and else. Public class many conditions. Public static void main string args. String car equals gray. Here we're creating a variable, we're giving it a name of car, the data type is string, and we're setting it to the text gray. Then we've got system.out.println with just double quotes and nothing in it. That's just going to give us a blank line before any other code outputs in the command prompt window. Our first condition, if car equals blue. Is that true or false? Well, we created our car to be gray, so that's false. So everything in the curly braces right there on the same line to the right of it is going to be ignored, and the code is going to go straight down to the next else if. Car equals red is that condition. That's also a false condition, so those curly braces are going to be ignored. If we decided to change our gray car to red, then all we'd have to do at the top is string car equals red instead of gray, and then when it got down to else if car equals red, that would at that point be true, and then we would obey what's in those curly braces, and system.out.println would print out the car is red. But that's not our current situation, so it's going to go down to the next else if car equals green. So it's going to test that. It's going to test false, so it's going to ignore those curly braces, go down to the else. The else is a default statement, which means it will run. System.out.println, we don't know what the color the car is. That's going to show. Our last line right here before the end of the main is system.out.println. That is not inside of any curly brace condition. So that is definitely going to run as well. And it's got \n, which is going to drop us down to a new line, so we have a space between both of these outputs, and it's going to say this line runs no matter what. So when you look down at the command prompt, you see exactly those two statements. We don't know what color the car is, and this line runs no matter what.